guys, welcome to another bit of Itachiuchihaaj with my brother.
Don't even say it. I told you don't say the big fatty.
So today is a very nice day.
With hair brown.
We must have quick in this.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go. Can't believe we got it. Oh, wow. Seriously, that is so cool. Hey guys. Oh yeah. Long. You only have 3 left. What the? Yummy. 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 Nothing. It's the tortilla girl.
Okay, so guys,
Okay. What's it?
today we are just gonna have this
What's gonna?
update.
This update is gonna be so harsh.
That cheetahs
Are so
only
harsh.
left 2 days.
What?
Even though it's just released now.
It's been now in May 1. What the?
So I have solved this puzzle and it turns out to be a coyote. Yep.
Or maybe
So yep.
don't say.
So in the hint there's feather and adventures and maybe it's for eagles only.
Where's
I wish the hyenas are for NN.
and members?
Okay, so
Hey, Jerry, if you're hearing, we wish that the hyenas are for non-members and members, so we can have all fair animals.
okay, so we have these new update.
Which you can now choose which world you want to play in. Yeah, that is so cool.
So this doorbell, you can even turn the doorbell sound on and off.
Hey,
So that's all for now. So yeah, that's all, guys, for now. You can
9 minutes randomness.
you can visit my
Just go to the 9 minutes
Then,
randomness.
yeah. Bye.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine.